Today I'm going to teach you how I made over $6,600 in 15 days from just spending $4. Let's go. Guys, what's going on? It's Ricky Hayes here. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Before we get into it, be sure to subscribe, be sure to like and comment down below what you would like to see in the future so I can help provide that value to you, okay? On top of that as well, Black Friday and Cyber Monday are just around the corner. I've got some exciting news for my course as well as my theme, Day Beautify, so stay tuned for that. You're going to absolutely love it. Between the two, between having a high converting theme and my course, you're going to absolutely crush this game unlike anyone else in this space. Without further ado anyway, let's get straight into today's video. Hey guys, I just wanted to show before I show you the template, this is exactly what it's about today, SMS Bump. And as you can see there, for $4.72 generated over $6,410. I've been using this template for well over a year that I developed, and to this day it still crushes it, and I wanted to make a video on it to help you all because it is super valuable. As you can see here, this is just from the last 30 days. I can change it to last 7 when it loads, and then we're going to see that $2 spent for $3,304. okay, all right, and you can see the conversion rate is 100% using this template, and the ROI is 165,000 with an average order value of $127. okay, it is just that good. Okay, so let's go into now the training side of it and how you can implement this yourself. And this is completely autopilot. I've done nothing for this. This has just brought a butt ton of money for nearly nothing. So I'm going to show you how you can do this now yourself. So step one is just to install SMS Bump. It is a fantastic app, okay, and I'm going to show you my template there that I've been using for well over a year. I was one of the first to start using SMS Bump, and it has consistently crushed it, and now it is a huge app. Okay, and there's a lot to this app I should add that we're not even going to be discussing today that we can go further into in the future, that has a lot of new features like flows. You should be checking out flows and the various integrations it has. It is a rock solid app by an amazing CEO. Hello Mahal. It is fantastic. And so just a couple of little housekeeping rules. Make sure on your checkout page, check under your settings, checkout, scroll down. There is the phone field. Make sure it's mandatory, that it's required, okay? Because you want to get as many mobile numbers as possible so that then you can remarket to them. Otherwise, it's not as effective. Always recommend doing that. As well as within the app, it has a quick setup guide to make sure you're GDPR compliant as well as SMS compliant. It pretty much does most of it for you, and using this template does the last part of it for you. Okay, it works very well. So if we go into the template now, I've got it open here. Okay, and as I said, for those wondering, I've been using this for over a year. You can have a look here at the details that I made this on the 24th of October. Okay, so nearly over a year ago. So I have some quick notes here, and again, just a screenshot. This is the actual template side of it, okay? So the first text is just after 5 minutes. By default, the app recommends an hour, and I found an hour was working, and then I just changed it progressively from an hour to 30 minutes to 20 to 10 to 5, and that's the minimum you can have it at. And ever since, like, that's become the industry standard. I don't even offer a discount code, as you can see there. I offer nothing. I just literally a reminder. That's all you do, and I'm not joking when I say that this will work for you extremely well. This first text, this 2 lines of text here, is going to make you such a huge amount of money. Okay, now the template for this obviously is in the slides below, which you can get. After about an hour, I used to have it as 4 hours, I make it an hour now, because I find it's the disparity between the first text message, the second and third. The third I don't even use much anymore. I only use the first 2 because it really drops off quite quickly. So the second you offer a discount code, okay, I just use the discount code text10. It's important that you understand as well that when you offer a discount code in SMS Bump, you can actually as well add a dynamic discount. So there's a button to add your discount, and you can add a dynamic one. Statistically, that is proven to actually help with conversions because it's very personal to the person. So instead of adding text 10, I just put that there as a placeholder. Use the dynamic one. It actually has a higher conversion rate. And all you need to do is pretty much copy this otherwise, change it a little bit for yourself, and you're done. And literally, this was going to take you about less than 5 minutes, and it's going to make you so much money. You're going to absolutely love it. This is worth tens of thousands of dollars, this document. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I'll be perfectly honest. Like, it is that easy. I do this. This is one of the mandatory apps that you should have on your store that I use with my theme Day Beautify and a number of other apps. Okay, but I wanted to give this out to you. I've made a video on this in the past. This is a new video because I know people are missing out on it, and I wanted to make a new video on it as well. And that's pretty much it from today's video. Just a really short, sweet one that's going to give you a lot of value to really sort of help you crush it. Make sure you just check the slides down below. I wanted to also show you something a little bit special as well, that if you're interested in a video on this, I'm more than happy to help out with this as well. So lastly, I wanted to show this, and this is Reka. And again, I know the CEO, Soma. He's a fantastic guy, and it's a great app. Reka is messenger remarketing. And a lot of people say messenger remarketing is dead. However, I argue very differently. They released a new feature very recently that I've been utilizing, and it has been absolutely crushing it. You can see here that there's 21 days left in the free trial. So I haven't even paid a single cent for this yet. I've literally just set it up. I've spent probably about an hour. This takes a bit longer. And as a result, I have absolutely crushed it with this. You can see that the messenger welcome has made over $1,144 doing nothing. Okay, and it's a very specific way to set this up. So if you do want to know how this works, okay, no one else is really doing this. This is completely new, and this will help you to absolutely crush it with getting probably another 10 to 20% revenue on your store with no cost at all. If you are interested in a video like this, let me know down in the comments below, and if I get enough comments of it, then I will make a video centered around this. Okay, this is super valuable, and at scale this can make you a huge sum of money. So be sure, if you are interested in this, to comment that down below as well. But that's it from today's video, guys, and that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you really found this valuable. Be sure to get the slides down below. If you did enjoy today's video, I really appreciate a like. That really helps me to grow the channel. Okay, the likes really helps with the algorithm. Be sure to subscribe for more weekly value, and have a look at my channel. I've got over 150 videos there. I'm told from multiple people that my videos and my channel is worth more than most paid courses alone. Okay, and that is no joke. You can go check that out for yourself. Plenty of playlists there as well, and also links for that are in the slides. Tell me what videos you want in the future as well, guys. I really take that into consideration to try and make really high quality content that is suitable for you. Okay, a lot of people ask me for Google ads, Bing ads, and YouTube ads for some ideas. Okay, guys. On top of that as well, again, I am having some specials coming up very soon for the Black Friday, Cyber Monday, which you're going to absolutely love, which is really going to help you. I really want to help the community as much as possible. I'm very, very a part of the community. I love to be a part of the community, and I really want to make things really good. I've got a number of things planned for next year as well, really exciting, going to be going around the world. It's the intention to do a number of other exciting things. So be sure to stay tuned for that as well. Be sure to stay tuned for more weekly videos. I hope you have a lovely day. I hope you take care, and goodbye.